Hi everybody, Alex here from Expert4x, and in today's video we are reviewing the progress made by the Expert4x Hedged Trading Robot, and what's more, we are supplying you with great settings for great returns and low drawdowns, as you can see on your screen. Now, about 35 days ago we launched the Expert4x Hedged Trading Robot, and a link to this web page will be in the description of the video as well as in the first commentary of the video. And what we've done is we have created 50 trading accounts, trading really good strategies and generating settings that you can use. So as we scroll down the page, you'll see there's a lot of information, a lot of videos that you can go and watch for training purposes that will help you get the very best out of this EA. And what's most important is that we help you with the strategies, and here is a whole discussion about the strategies and the fact that we are trading 50 strategies for you on accounts, so that these are not optimized settings, these are actually proven traded settings. And what we do is we then provide you with the very best settings from these 50 accounts, and here you can see the very best settings that you can access. And I'm going to discuss these settings in a little bit more detail because they're quite important. And then as you continue down, we talk about the settings. We give a lot of information here, and if you're not already the proud owner of this EA, you can go and have a look at ways that you can purchase this EA. But let's have a look at these wonderful settings, because these reflect the possible results, because they have been achieved, but achievement in the past is no guarantee of achievement in the future, but it is a good step in the right direction. Okay, so let's have a look at the results achieved so far in the last 35 days or even shorter periods, because as we are introducing new accounts, new strategies, the shorter periods start kicking in. And here you can see the account there, the account numbers that are doing pretty well. We're not really interested in the ones that aren't doing well. We're interested in the ones that are doing well. And essentially the information we provide here is firstly the settings, so you can just copy these directly into your EA, but we also supply the details of that particular account. And you'll see there is a link to access the FX Blue trading results for each of the accounts mentioned above, as well as the other accounts not shown here. So we look at the maximum drawdown achieved by that account, because drawdown is a very important factor when trading. You don't want a huge drawdown, so we try and limit drawdown to about 20% of the account, and then we compare that drawdown with the closed gains, and there are the closed gains for this particular account. And there then we calculate the ratio. What is the ratio of closed gains to drawdown? And there you can say return on drawdown is 223%. So we do use the maximum drawdown, very important, because it does tell you about the maximum risk that this account has experienced in its trading. And if we look down here, you can see some fantastic results. We've also added the age of the actual account, because that's quite important for people that are looking at this. You'll see a lot of the accounts have 32 days. Some have got 24 and so on. So this gives you an idea of the reliability of these settings, because the older the settings become, the more reliable they become. But you can see some fantastic returns. Remember, we are trading a $10,000 account in each of these accounts, and here you can see returns of 30% in 32 days. Fantastic, 32% in 32 days. So and we look at, here's one, 47% return in only 21 days. So this EA is proving itself to be a really good high income, low drawdown EA. So what are we disclosing here are all the accounts that have a return on drawdown that is higher than 150%, because that's also a ratio that the prop traders use. The prop traders are looking for a ratio of 200%. They want to earn double the amount of what they're risking, and you can see this really satisfies their needs. Anything over 200% is a potential prop trading account. So there's only a few here that don't meet it. It's all the newer ones. But what happens is the drawdowns seem to stay stable and the income seems to grow and grow with this hedged EA, because it is not a static situation that develops. You have two legs that are trading, and the one's is in distress, the other one is the hedged one. So either of them will be cashing in deals all of the time. So it's a very dynamic EA, and you can see that some of the returns are really fantastic. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing another video next week, and we're going to see these fantastic results. There will be better results as time goes on. These results tend to become better and better. Also, some of these accounts will be added to our linked account service. A link to that particular service will be in the description of the video as well as in the first commentary. But we are waiting for at least another week or two before that happens. Again, if you're not a proud owner of the EA, seriously consider this EA as part of your portfolio of trading robots. So from me, Alex the Proy, cheerio.